We all want to live in a beautiful environment, and part of that is ensuring our yards and gardens are properly designed, maintained, and looked after. This provides landscape business entrepreneurs with a great opportunity. If you can provide excellent yard and garden services, you can build a thriving local landscaping business. Starting an LLC for your landscaping business can provide you with many benefits such as protection of your personal assets, liability protection, and tax flexibility. Forming an LLC is not as complicated as it may seem, and you can follow the following steps to establish your LLC for your landscaping business. Step 1. Determine the name of your LLC. The first step towards starting an LLC for your landscaping business is to choose a unique name for your LLC. The name should reflect the nature of your business, and it should be available for use in your state. You can check the availability of the name by visiting your state's Secretary of State website. Step 2. Choose the state you want to form your LLC in. Choose the state you want to form your LLC in based on your business needs, taxes, and other legal requirements. You don't have to form your LLC in the state you live in. Step 3. Choose a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or entity that is responsible for receiving legal documents and official correspondence on behalf of your LLC. Your registered agent must have a physical address in the state where your LLC is registered. You can choose to act as your registered agent, or you can hire a professional registered agent service. Step 4. File articles of organization. To establish your LLC, you will need to file articles of organization with the state where you intend to conduct business. The articles of organization typically require the following information: name of your LLC, purpose of your LLC, name and address of your registered agent, name and address of the LLC's owners, also known as members, name and address of the LLC's organizers, and whether the LLC is managed by members or managers. Step 5. Create an operating agreement. An operating agreement is a legal document that outlines the ownership and management structure of your LLC. It also specifies how profits and losses will be divided among the members and how the LLC will be managed. Although not required by law, it is highly recommended to have an operating agreement in place to avoid potential disputes in the future. Step 6. Obtain licenses and permits. To operate a landscaping business, you may need to obtain various licenses and permits from your state or local government. The specific licenses and permits required will vary depending on your location and the services you offer. You can contact your state's Secretary of State or Department of Licensing to determine the necessary permits and licenses. Step 7. Get an EIN from IRS. An Employer Identification Number, EIN, is a unique 9-digit number issued by the IRS to identify your LLC for tax purposes. You will need an EIN to open a business bank account, file taxes, and hire employees. You can obtain an EIN for free by completing an online application on the IRS website. Step 8. Obtain insurance. All businesses need insurance to protect their business assets, even LLCs. This is because the limited liability protection from an LLC protects your personal assets, not your business assets. When it comes to a lawn care business, business insurance can protect your equipment, lawn mower, trimmer, etc., from negligence claims or other torts. Some types of insurance you may want to consider for your landscaping business include general liability insurance, professional liability insurance, commercial auto insurance, property insurance, and workers' compensation insurance. Step 9. Open a business bank account. Opening a separate bank account for your LLC can help you keep your personal and business finances separate. You can use this account to deposit payments from clients, pay expenses, and track your business finances. You will need to provide your EIN and articles of organization to open a business bank account. Step 10. Launch your business. Once you've completed all the necessary steps, you can start your landscaping and lawn care business. Make sure to keep accurate records of your income and expenses, and file your taxes on time. In conclusion, starting an LLC for your landscaping business can provide you with numerous benefits such as liability protection, tax flexibility, and easier access to business loans. By following the above steps, you can establish your LLC and start operating your business in a legally compliant manner. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Incfile is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 5 minutes through Incfile. Incfile is one of the best companies out there to help you form your LLC. You can click on the link in the description to get access to this deal. Incfile is one of a kind as it offers a free package with services such as preparing and filing your articles of organization. Well, you still have to pay $237 for the state fees, which you would have to do anyway if you chose the DIY option. But looking at the bigger picture, all other companies will still charge their service fee on top of state filing fees. Incfile does not collect this fee. This plan already includes a free registered agent for your first year of subscription, and $119 annually moving forward if you decide to continue the service after the first year. Incfile's next packages are the Gold and Platinum packages, which both have package fees, already on top of the $237 state fee. Each package has its own set of services which are all worthy of the subscription you are paying for. The Gold package offers you the benefits of filing reports and taxes for your LLC. Every year, USA LLCs are required to file a state annual report. This report is essentially an information update of your file so that the state knows who is now in charge and how to contact your company. USA LLCs are also required to file state tax returns. To make matters even more complicated, your annual report and business privilege tax share a document and are due at the same time each year. With the Incfile's Gold package, you won't have to scribble notes of these reports because Incfile will handle the whole process for you. Your Platinum package also has these services in the bag with the unique addition of expedited filing, getting a domain name, and a business email which essentially increases your LLC's credibility. Incfile also has an exclusive partnership with Bank of America so you can easily open an eligible checking account for your business. Yes, it is a must for your LLC to have a business account. Remember, an LLC has limited liability, for it is a separate entity from its members. You may forfeit your liability protections if you combine your personal and business money, and this is where the term, piercing the corporate veil, comes into play. Piercing the corporate veil is an LLC jargon that refers to the court's action to hold you as the owner or member of an LLC, personally liable for the LLC's debts or actions. Now, if you have been sued by some lawyer who sees a crack in your LLC, they might resort to piercing the corporate veil in which you are in any position defeated. This is why opening a separate bank account for your LLC is so important. Do you like the level of detail I'm providing you in my review so far? If yes, then make sure to let me know by liking my video and hitting that subscribe button for more high-quality business content.